Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to share internet connection in Windows 11. So click on start, then settings. Now here click on network and internet. Now click on mobile hotspot, share your internet connection. So just guys, you have to slide the setting to on. And also guys, you can change password and your Wi-Fi name. Click here this drop down. Here you will see network properties. Click on edit. You can give a name to your network, your password, network band, any available, or you can select your desired one. Then click on save. Then turn on. Also guys, you can turn on this setting to save power. When no device are connected, automatically turn off mobile hotspot. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.